All right, guys, I walk about 10 to 15,000 steps a day, so having a sore back is something with which I am very familiar. So when COMFIER reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try this Shiatsu massaging pillow with heat, I said, yes, please, thank you, and send it. Today we're gonna unbox it and give it a try. And one of the things that I absolutely love about it is I have one of the ones that goes around your neck that you put your hands through, but I don't like my hands being obligated to it. I like that this is hands-free. It has a plug, big shocker. It is leather bodied, which I love that just for durability's sake. It does have a really nice long cord. I'm just gonna peel that off. Ooh, y'all, this is nice. Okay. I think that's cool that you can put that on there to kind of cover it if you're storing it. I like that. All right, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, sir. Okay, so here is the little remote. It is not cordless, obviously, and we're gonna plug it in and give it a go in a second. You can take this off. You have these tags here, which you're not supposed to rip off, but you know I'm going to. Okay, they come off nice and clean. And it does auto shut off after 30 minutes. So I do like that you can use this for your neck and your back. So depending on how you orient it, you could use this like for your upper back, and then turn it around and lay on it and put this so you could use this for your neck. So I love that it's versatile that way. It's about 4 pounds, almost 16, and about 12.5 inches wide. Let's turn it on, see how quiet. Favorite thing that I'm gonna use this for is I'm gonna stick it behind my back when I'm working at my computer chair because I sit for hours a day and this kind of stuff promotes circulation. See it dancing on the table? Very quiet, which I really like. So you can reverse the direction by pressing that button. Turn it on and off. You long press on this button right here at the very top, and then you long press off. And then this is also the same button that you press to activate the Shiatsu massage. You can just cycle through 1, 2, 3 levels of Shiatsu massage. Will change. The second button down changes the direction of the Shiatsu massage. And the third button down changes the vibration pattern. You can cycle through 1, 2, 3. And down here at the very bottom, that's your heat indicator for low, medium, and high. 8 nodes, 4 medium, 4 small, 3 intensity levels, and 3 massage types. Okay, but I turned the heating element, which is the bottom one, and that has low, medium, and high, and you can feel it up here. Oh, that feels nice. And this button turns on the vibration. So you have massage, heating, and then vibration. So let's turn on the vibration. There are 3 different types. 1, sounds like a pulsing. That feels like a rolling. And that's more like of a burst, and then it slows down, and then a burst. I would say grab this COMFIER massaging chair because for under $50, which is way less than the cost of a single massage, you could start enjoying pain-free days again when it comes to your back and your neck. All right, that's the tea straight from me. Bye.